Hey guys, today we're going to be talking a little bit about engagement. So what is engagement? Engagement is what we call the process when a customer engages with your brand. So for example, let's say you put a post out on Facebook, your likes, your shares, your comments, these are all engagement, and they can be positive, they can be negative as well, so it's always good to look at how people are responding to your brand. It can also be like, for example, the link clicks through to your website. You can study all of these different things in your analytics, but this is just basically when customers are interacting with you or even the general public. Now, when it comes to engagement, it's always good to get positive engagement. And when you start putting out certain posts that get good positive engagement, you're more likely to get these things shared to different places on Facebook. So it's a great way to get your brand out there. So keep an eye on the posts which you're doing, which are really, really good, and you're getting the best engagement for, and just do more of the same. Keep promoting in that sort of area. It's always good to test things out. You don't want to do the same kind of post every single time, but you want to keep an idea of like the top 5 to 10 different posts that you're putting out on social media in order to get a good idea of what your audience likes. And this will help you build the idea of what kind of audience you have as well. So it's really, really good to keep an eye on it. If you get on well enough with the audience, you might get engaged in real life, but that kind of engagement, that's going a bit in a different direction. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. You have a lovely day. Bye!